we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced biblical words and names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? It is often pronounced as Sabaoth, Sabaoth, although some say it and it is also correct to pronounce it as Sabaoth, Sabaoth. Many do pronounce it also as Sabaoth, Sabaoth. So, Sabaoth, or Sabaoth, or Sabaoth. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the Hebrew Bible, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, including other names from given to God. And now you know. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.